Hello student, let's start with the subject mechanical engineering material. I think last time we learned lattice, motif, unit cell and crystal structure of simple cubic structure, body center cubic structure, face center cubic structure and their lattice number and unit cell number. Today we learn atomic packing efficiency. Let's start with the topic atomic packing efficiency. It is a fractional amount of volume or space occupied by atom in unit cell is called as atomic packing efficiency or atomic packing factor. Atomic packing efficiency is also known as atomic packing density. So basically it's a ratio of volume of atoms in unit cell and volume of unit cell. As we already learned in our previous lecture that we will always consider a cubic structure for unit cell. So in case of volume of unit cell we have to place the volume of cube, whereas in case of volume of atoms in that unit cell we have to consider the volume of sphere, because in that cubic structure we already learned the shape of atom is in a spherical form. So whenever we talk about volume of atom we have to consider the volume of sphere, but as the crystal structure will going to change, for example simple cubic structure, body center cubic structure, face center cubic structure, at that time we have to change the number of atoms in that unit cell. That's why in case of volume of atom in unit cell we have to consider the volume of sphere multiplied by the number of atom in that unit cell for different crystal structure. So in case of volume of atom we have to consider the volume of sphere as the shape of atoms will be in a spherical form, whereas in case of volume of unit cell we have to consider the volume of cubic structure, because we already considered in a previous lecture that shape of unit cell will be in a cubical form. Now we will see the atomic packing efficiency for different crystal structure. Let's start with the first crystal structure, that is simple cubic structure. In simple cubic structure the atoms are assumed to be placed in such a way that only two adjacent atoms touch each other as shown in a figure. As we already learned, the shape of atom is in a spherical form. So if you check the diagram, the atoms are placed in such a way that only two adjacent atoms can touch to each other. If A is a lattice parameter, A is the complete height of that cubic structure and R is the radius of atom. If you check very well, the R atom, there are two diagrams. First diagram shows in a 3D form and second diagram shows in a 2D form. So where R written, that is the radius of that atom, radius of that spherical atom, and A is the height of that cubic structure. Now if you want to find out the atomic packing efficiency, as we already learned, the formula is what? The volume of atom in that unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. As we already learned, the volume of unit cell will be volume of cube and in case of volume of atom in a unit cell, we have to consider the volume of sphere. But as the crystal structure will going to change, the number of unit cell atom will also change. So in case of simple cubic structure, the number of atom in a unit cell is what? 1. We have to consider that number multiplied by the atoms in a unit cell, volume of the atom in that unit cell, divided by volume of unit cell. That's why if you check in this slide, we have to consider the volume of sphere, that is what? 4/3 pi r cube, whereas r is the radius of that sphere, divided by volume of the unit cell. In case of volume of unit cell, we will consider the volume of cube, as we already given the height of cube is a, that's why the volume of cube is what? A cube. Now if you check very well, in numerator it is multiplied with the 1. That one number is the number of atom in a unit cell in case of simple cubic structure. As we know very well that in case of simple cubic structure, the number of atom is what? 1. So 1 into volume of atom, that is volume of sphere, that's why it is 4/3 pi r cube, divided by volume of unit cell, means volume of cubic structure, that is what? A cube. Now if we check the second diagram, we get one relation, that is A is equal to 2r. A is a side of cube, whereas r is the radius of sphere. If you check that diagram very well, we get one relation, that is A is equal to 2r. We have to use that relation to find out the value of atomic packing factor. We have already get one relation, one value, that is 1 into 4/3 pi r cube divided by a cube, whereas 1 is the number of atom in a unit cell, 4/3 pi r cube is the volume of sphere or volume of atom which is in a spherical form, and a cube is the volume of unit cell which is a cubical structure. Now we have to replace A is equal to 2r. When you will going to replace A is equal to 2r, r cube and r cube get cancelled. If you place the value, that is 4/3 pi divided by 2 cube in a calculator, you get atomic packing factor is equal to 0.52. Next topic is body center cubic structure. As we already learned in a case of unit cell atom, that number of atoms in a unit cell for body center cubic structure is 2, as one atom is placed at the center of the body and another atom we have to consider at the corner of the cube. So total number of atom in unit cell is 2 in case of body center cubic structure. Now if you check the diagram very well, one atom is placed at the center of that cube and another atom is placed at the corner of that body. Now height of the cube is given to us that A, whereas if we check diagonally, now consider the triangle SUV. In that SUV triangle, SU is a diagonal and SV and UV are sides. we know very well that in case of Pythagoras theorem, diagonal square is equal to side square plus side square. So here in this diagram, diagonal is SU, that's why it is written as a SU square is equal to side square plus side square, that is SB square plus UV square. But if you check the triangle SVR, in case of SVR, the diagonal is SV and side is SR and RV. We will another time apply Pythagoras theorem, whereas SV square is equal to RV square plus VR square. Now SU is equal to 4R, that is already shown in a figure. If you check the diagonal line, that is SU, that SU value is what? R plus 2R plus R, that is totally 4R. Now check the first line, that is SU square is equal to SV square plus UV square. Now in case of SV, we will going to place SR square plus RV square, that is your second line in case of slide. So now we will get SU square is equal to SR square plus RV square, that is value of SV square, and we will going to add UV square. Now check the value of SR. SR is the side of cube which is denoted by A. RV and UV are another side of cube which is also denoted by A. Now we will replace the value of this side by A. That's why SU, which is diagonal, is replaced by 4R, that is R plus 2R plus R, whereas SR, RV and UV is replaced by A. Now we get one relation, that is SR square RV square plus UV square is equal to 3A square. Now we get the another relation, that is 4R square, which is a value of SU square, is equal to 3A square. We have to find the relation in between A and R. So now 4R square is equal to 3A square. We have to take square root on both sides. When we will take square root on both sides, we get 4R is equal to root 3A. That's why the value of R is root 3A divided by 4. Now we have to find out the atomic packing factor, which is the ratio of volume of atom in unit cell multiplied by number of unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. As we know, the volume of unit cell is the volume of cube, that is A cube, whereas volume of atom, which is sphere, so we have to replace it as 4 by 3 pi r cube, and the volume of atom in unit cell for body center cubic structure is 2. That's why the atomic packing factor is a ratio of 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by A cube. Now replace the value of R, that is root 3A by 4 in that formula. if we replace the value in that formula, a cube and a cube get cancelled. The value will remain 8 by 3 pi in bracket root 3 by 4 bracket close cube. If you place this value in calculator, we get atomic packing factor for body center cubic structure is 0.68. Now we will see the next crystal structure, that is face center cubic structure. As we already learned that in case of face center cubic structure, the number of atoms in unit cell are 4. 3 atoms are placed in 2 adjacent faces of the side of the cube and 1 atom is placed at the side of the corner. There are 2 diagrams shown in a slide. One diagram is in a 3D view where you can see the 1 atom is placed at the 2 adjacent side of the cube, whereas another atom is placed at the corner of the cube. Besides that, 2D diagram is shown where side of the cube is denoted by A, radius of the sphere is denoted by R, that we already know. Now if you check the diagonal SQ, in that diagonal 2 half sphere and 1 complete sphere will come. The value of the half sphere is R and complete sphere is 2R, because the entire diameter of sphere we have to consider and we denoted the radius of sphere is R. That's why at the corner there are half sphere, that is radius of the sphere is given as a R, whereas entire sphere is denoted as a 2R, that is 2 times of the radius. Now the value of the SQ is R plus 2R plus R, that is 4R. We will going to apply the Pythagoras theorem for triangle SRQ. That's why we will get first line, that is SQ square is equal to SR square and RQ square. SQ is a diagonal of cube and SR and RQ are the sides of cube. We know very well that side of cube is denoted by A. That's why if you check the second line, the side of cube is replaced by A, whereas SQ have the value that R plus 2R plus R, that is 4R. So we will get next line, that is 4R square, which is the value of SQ square, is equal to SR square's value is A square plus RQ square value is A square, that is 2A square. So now we will get relation, that is 4R square is equal to 2A square. Now we will take square root on both sides. If you take square root on both sides, we will get next relation in between A and R, that is R is equal to A by 2 root 2. Now this relation we will use in atomic packing factor. We know very well that atomic packing factor is a ratio of volume of atom in unit cell, number of atom in unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. The volume of unit cell is a cubic structure, that's why we will place A cube. The number of atom in unit cell in case of face center cubic structure is 4. That's why if you check the formula, we will going to multiply by number 4 with the volume of spherical atom, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So if you check from simple cubic structure or body center cubic structure, the volume of sphere and volume of cube will never going to change. Only the relation between A and R will going to change, because of which we will get different atomic packing factor because of unit cell. Now in case of face center cubic structure, the number of atom in unit cell is 4. The volume of atom, which is in a spherical form, is 4 by 3 pi r cube, as the volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, so we have to replace over there, and the volume of cube is side cube, and in case of all this structure we denoted side as a. That's why we will going to place the volume of cube is a cube. Now we have to place the relation between A and R, that is R is equal to A by 2 root 2. When a cube get cancelled, we will get next value, that is 16 by 3 pi into bracket 1 divided by 2 root 2 bracket close cube. When you place this value in calculator, you get atomic packing factor is 0.74. You have to remember the number of unit cell for different crystal structure and their atomic packing factor. We will revise one more time, that is for simple cubic structure, the number of atom in unit cell is 1, whereas atomic packing factor is 0.52. In case of body center cubic structure, the number of atom in unit cell is 2 and atomic packing factor is 0.68. In case of face center cubic structure, the value of atom in unit cell is 4, whereas atomic packing factor for FCC structure is 0.74. On next lecture, we will study. In next lecture, we will see the details of hexagonal closed pack structure.